Hello guys, how are you doing today? Welcome back to Learn English Zone. In this video, we bring you a romantic and emotional English story written in simple, slow, and natural English, perfect for listening, pronunciation, and vocabulary practice. Today's story is called The Music in the Park, a story of healing and connection. Every evening, a girl walks through the park. She's heartbroken, lost, and quiet, until she hears the soft sound of a violin. Every night, the music plays. Every night, she listens. One day, she decides to follow the sound. Who is the mysterious violinist? And how can music heal a broken heart? Let's begin this gentle journey through sound, silence, and something beautiful. Sophie walked slowly through the park. The air was cool. The sky was soft with the colors of sunset. She had come here every day for the past 2 weeks, ever since the breakup. It still hurt. She passed the same path, the same bench, the same trees, and then the same sound, a soft melody, a violin. It came from somewhere near the fountain. She stopped, and she listened. The music was gentle and sad. Each note felt like a quiet whisper. Sophie didn't know the song, but it touched something deep inside her. She sat on a nearby bench and closed her eyes. She forgot the pain, forgot the past, forgot the world. There was only music. After 10 minutes, the sound stopped. She opened her eyes. The fountain was still. The violinist was gone. The next day, Sophie came again. Same time, same place. And once again, the music began. Different song, same feeling. She looked around, but she couldn't see who was playing. The trees and bushes hid the player, and every night it was the same. She listened, she healed, but she also wondered, who is the violinist? One evening, Sophie made a choice. I want to see who is playing, she said. As the music started, she followed the sound. She moved quietly through the grass and trees. Then she saw him, a young man standing near the fountain, eyes closed, hands moving with grace, playing the violin like it was part of his soul. She watched in silence. When the music ended, he opened his eyes and saw her. For a moment, they just looked at each other. "Hi," Sophie said softly. He smiled. "Hi. I've been listening to your music every night," she said. "Then we've already met," he replied. She laughed. "I guess we have." They sat on the bench. He told her his name was Daniel. He came to the park every evening to practice and to remember. "To remember what?" Sophie asked. "My sister," he said. "She played violin. This was our favorite place." Sophie felt a tear fall. "I'm sorry," she said. He nodded. Music helps. It keeps her close. She understood. Pain had brought them both here, but music had brought them together. From that night on, they met every evening. Daniel played. Sophie listened. Then they talked about life, about love, about loss. Their hearts slowly opened, not fast, not forced, just gently, like a quiet melody. One night, Daniel said, "I wrote a new song." "For your sister?" Sophie asked. He smiled. "For you." He began to play. The notes were warm, light, full of hope. Sophie felt her heart rise. The pain was still there, but now it shared space with joy. When he finished, she whispered, "Thank you," and he took her hand. Weeks passed. Spring arrived. The trees bloomed. The park became full of color. So did Sophie's life. She smiled more, laughed more, loved more, not just because of Daniel, but because of herself. She had healed through music, through connection, through time. Thank you for listening to The Music in the Park, a story of healing and connection. We hope this story touched your heart and helped you practice English in a beautiful way. Listen again to improve your fluency. Use the story to learn new vocabulary. Tell us in the comments, what part did you love most? Learn English Zone, stories that teach, heal, and inspire.